One down, a million to go. I don't know if I'm just slow this round or... Mini twists are not an easy protective style. Be cautious that this is not a throw in and forget protective style. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. And baby, it's that time. It's that season. Mini twist. It's mini twist season, y'all, and it has been going around TikTok, which is just so funny to me because if you're new here, maybe we've been doing mini twists since, oh my gosh, when was my first mini twist video? 2017? Something like that. Like, mini twists have been that girl for me. I remember first trying them out and I was like, this is it. This is gonna be my top #1 protective style, and it's been a roll ever since. This time around, we're gonna try new things, new products. But mostly the #1 new thing for this session of mini twist will be wet hair. Now, if you've been following me, I have been doing the blow drying stretching method. So this time around, we're gonna do it on wet hair. And I just wanna see how it turns out. My hair is a little damp right now. I did wash it, deep condition it, and all of that with the Design Essentials. That's my thing right now. I'm going through a Design Essentials phase. If you guys have tried Design Essentials, let me know what's your favorite product because I'm a fan. Okay, so I got my water bottle here. So these are the products I'm thinking about using. I'm trying to, you know, less is more with mini twists. So I'm really just trying to go with that approach. But y'all know how things get, okay? So products I'm thinking of using for my cream, I'm going to use the TGIN Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. Just a dab of this, okay? If you are new here, I have fine natural strands, so heavy products, it's not it for me. It's not it. But I do love this as a moisturizer, and I don't, just a dollop of daisy, okay, of this. For the roots of the twist, where I'll start off with a braid and then go into a twist, I'll probably just use this Edge Fixer by Kiss. It's really good for this purpose, and because it's like not too expensive, I don't mind using it for this. And for gel, I think I'm gonna try the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna do a few in the back, see how I feel. If I feel like it's not holding on long enough, I'm gonna go back to Eco. We're gonna use what works. Some plain old water. We got our clips and our fine tooth comb, and we're good to go. So I already detangled and all that, as you can see, and I put my hair in these twists. So what we're gonna do, I'll zoom in a little bit. Here's my hair. Again, it's a little damp, but not as wet as I want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. It's already kind of like split down the middle and the back. I'm trying to just go with vibes. Now, if you're like me and people are like, parts don't matter. Sometimes they do, okay? But not in the back. In the back, y'all, we don't care. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this whole section with the moisturizer. That's actually too much. So just this much for this whole section, especially the back. Oh my gosh. Gonna rub that through. Wet hair, y'all. I don't know how these are about to come out. I haven't done wet hair mini twists in a while. I think I got this idea from Kimberly Sherelle Kim. She did them and I was like, I haven't done wet hair mini twists. I'm trying to take some of this gel. Okay. Make sure y'all getting these angles, honey. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, look at that HD. So, rigging through the gel, we're gonna grab some of that Edge Fixer. And we're gonna rub through our hands. And as always, we're gonna start off with a braid. Combine them and make just 2 strands. And get to twisting, y'all. Alright. I think I added a little too much of the edge control to it. So less for next time, but one down, a million to go. Okay, you guys, I have been at it for hour and a half, and I just have the back done. That's mini twist life for you. See where I'm at. Let me sure you guys can see. Wow, the parting is terrible. Wait. Okay, it's not terrible. That's gonna get covered. Mini twists are a journey, okay? Not a sprint. All right, whatever that saying is. So I'm gonna continue throughout the night. I'll catch you guys in the morning and we'll see where we are. Hopefully done. Okay, but I am liking the wet hair so far. It is a little messier to work with. And as you can see, my parting is garbage, but they look super hydrated and they feel really soft. And for the fine hair girlies, this method actually, you know, plumps them up a little bit quicker than waiting. So they already kind of look fuller. I'll definitely get to see it towards the front where my hair is like thinner and more fine. Shrinkage is here. It's not too bad. It is drying pretty fast with the products I'm using. So, but yeah, the shrinkage is definitely there, of course. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit, hopefully with more finished. You know, I'm still not done. We're still not done with this hair. But here is what we have. 1 second. What are you doing? So this is what we have done so far. I have this entire half still and some of this right here. I don't know if I'm just slow this round or my hair is longer. Which, if my hair is longer, we're not complaining. Right here is an example of why you should always do brick parting. Okay, hold on. So here I did not do brick parting. If you can tell, it's like super spacious. It looks super thin. Like, y'all, I was half asleep when I did this section. I wasn't using the mirror. Don't recommend. So we put this back down. I'll probably redo that section later on, but we'll see. I'm learning with this whole wet mini twist thing is kind of what I predicted, right? Ends are curly, they're shrunken. I know the final look I'm not gonna hold you, I'm probably not gonna like, but if the ends are curling up nicely like they are so far, it could be cute. We could get over the shrinkage. But of course, because, you know, I stopped doing my hair, I have to re-wet it. Usually I wouldn't even bother re-wetting it because I like doing it on dry stretched hair. But for the sake of this experiment and for the sake of them all being the same length, we are going to continue with the wet mini twist. So it is 4:34. I have dinner reservations with some friends at 7. So I have to leave for the house at 6. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just focus on doing the front and hopefully getting the middle to look decent. Ugh, it's gonna suck. Basically, I need to move fast because round 5, I should start doing my makeup. Alright, so the sections I'm not done with are going in these large chunky twists. There's more in the back, so I gotta go. We have to get ready, so I'm just gonna put all this up in some kind of situation. Up, up, up. Bobby pin it so it's like this decent bun situation. Don't worry, we're not done. Black headband. Gonna cover up a majority of it, and we're outside. and you might look a little but this is gonna have to work for today. I don't know what the back looks like. I don't have my mirror. Y'all tell me. See how it's covering like the majority that I didn't finish. Whew. Okay guys, it has been a journey. We are outside. It's been a day. My makeup is like coming off, but I wanted to film this conclusion. So as you can see, we have finished the hair. Let me show you guys. Like, let me stop playing. Here's the hair. I have it back in a clip right now, but y'all get the vibes. Like, you've seen these mini twists, and here's the clip. Yeah. So I'll probably put some footage so you can see a better image of the mini twist. But anyway, so in conclusion, wet hair. It was cool. For whatever reason, it did take me longer to finish than it did with dry hair. I'm not sure the science behind that. It's probably in my head, but it did take me a longer time to finish my mini twist than usual. Again, also another factor is it's been a few months. My hair could have grown, so an extra hour may have happened, but I'm not entirely sure. Secondly, I just want to state that mini twists are not an easy protective style. I realize they're kind of trending right now and it's kind of like the thing right now, but they are not easy. They're easy to put in, right? Besides the time it takes, but they are not easy to take care of, and they're not for everybody. So especially for us fine natural hair women, I feel like this is not a style to keep in for months at a time unless we are taking them down and putting them back in. Our hair can easily knot up with these. They can easily get tangled up with the mini twists. If you're not careful, the roots can definitely start to clump up and lock up in a way. I wouldn't say it becomes a dreadlock. It can, right? Mini twists can become locks, but it does start to mat up. There's the word, mat up, and cause issues. I made a video about this actually, about how mini twists are, you know, you gotta be careful. This is a cute style. I love this style. I'm gonna be honest, right now I don't love it. I never like the first 2 days of my mini twists. I like them as time goes on because they frizz up, they get bigger, fine hair problems, but I don't like them right now. They're definitely a style you can't just put in and forget. They're not braids for sure. So, daily I do check on them. They do unravel sometimes, again, depending on your texture. I know if you have a thicker texture, maybe they don't unravel sometimes. I don't know, can't speak on it. But with fine natural hair, there are gonna, be some that untangle in the back, which is why it's important to start with a braid. Essential. I think these are a great style. Just be cautious that this is not a throw in and forget protective style. Definitely watch your ends. Keep the ends moisturized, because if your hair is a little longer, like kind of like mine is, the ends are going to touch your clothes and your fabrics and kind of dry themselves out. They're rubbing against things, so keep it cute. I am going to do a few styles in these, and I'll probably post them on TikTok if you guys want to follow me on there. I don't think YouTube would like that video. We'll see. If you have fine natural hair, keep the products light. Do not do heavy products the first round when you start, like when you first put them in. Don't do it to yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions down below. If you've done mini twists or just have questions in general about mini twists, let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe, join the family, give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.